Alright. Am I all the way zoomed out? Make sure I'm all the way zoomed out. Yep. Alright. We're watching D-Day. The longest day. And there's our new closet doors. Brand spankers. There's Allison peeking in from the door. Wave! Come in here. There she is. There's that new wall. There's her closet doors. Now I'm going to back up into the bathroom. And you can see our color scheme here. And that's where I was standing in my notebook. And now I'm going to walk over to our doorway. There's my lovely bride again. Swing around. There's the bed. New curtains. New color. New baseboards. New trim everywhere. And there's lovely bride again.